Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be replacing the tail light on a Yamaha Kodiak 450cc ATV. As always, I got my Pittsburgh mechanics tool set. This is going to help us out. This is going to get us through a lot. Seems like I'm using this thing more and more since picking it up. And I have the replacement tail light housing here, and I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself. But it looks pretty easy to install, and hopefully the wire connectors are plug and play. I'm thinking they could be. Also, the light still works, so I might just halfway do it and just disconnect this bulb and plug it into the new housing and save the wire harness, because that's not really the problem. Let's go underneath and take a look. On the back side of your housing, you're gonna see you got two nuts and a washer, it looks like. And those should be all that's holding that light on there, so this should be pretty simple. Let's get the right wrench for the job. I do believe I got the right wrench for the job. It's the 10mm. Let's see what we can do. No, we got that one out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade the wiring harness. It seems like a bigger deal. So here's the new light. Pop that out. Good. Yeah, I think that'll look good in there. Now we're going to go back under there and we're going to put these fender washers and these lock nuts back on, and it's as easy as that. Alright, that's plenty good and snug. That'll do the trick. Well, thank you for watching this video. I think if you had to splice in, hopefully there's wire connectors in that wire harness, but if you did have to splice these in, it may have been a little bit more involved. I lucked out though. The tail light, only thing that was damaged was the cover. So a new housing is all I needed, and I have an extra part here for if it ever happens again, I'll be able to replace this part too. So if you're interested or you're looking for a tail light, I will leave a link in the description below to that tail light that I picked up, and you can check it out for yourself if you're interested. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those on below. I'll try to answer those when I can. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a nice day.